Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup and connect ProfiCook Kettle with your Android smartphone. And to do this, first you will need to download an app called Smart Life. You can find it on Google Play Store or any other store that you're using on your smartphone. Now, when it's downloaded, you'll also need to create an account. When it's created, we can finally click on Add Device. Right here, we also need to allow location permission for the app, and then look for kitchen appliance and find your kettle. I'm pretty sure it should be that one with the Wi-Fi, since that's the one that I'm using. And now we can continue. Again, allow the location permission, enter the password for the Wi-Fi. Also, I think I'm gonna change the Wi-Fi to 2.4G because I'm pretty sure this kettle doesn't support 5G networks. So let me do that quickly. You can move back to the app and enter the password for now 2.4G network. Save. Now we need to press the reset button for 5 seconds on our kettle, and that button is probably the Wi-Fi, so click and hold it for 5 seconds and confirm the indicator is blinking. And for me it's blinking quickly, and now it will start looking for that kettle. Here it is. We can rename it if you want, that's optional. I'm gonna leave the default name and click on done. So now our kettle is fully set and connected to the app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.